will share to you how I keep improving the quality of my dream for the last 10 years. Let me share to you the benefit of dream yoga. In short, without dream, the spiritual journey will be very dark. Very dark, even dangerous. You know already, I do not want to talk about the negative sides of the others. But in every corner of the world, there are many spiritual teachers who are in danger. Because spiritual journey is extremely dangerous. Extremely. Thanks God, I am relatively safe. And one of the reasons because I practice dream yoga for the last more than 10 years. Now let me share to you the 4 benefits of dream yoga. This is not holy scripture, but this is my personal experience, include the experience of my wife. First of all, the direct benefit of dream yoga, if you are sincere, keen, diligent to practice dream yoga, you will be given the unique medicine to you. There is a unique medicine. I personally experienced it myself. I heard in the dream, here is your medicine. Here is what you should do to your body in order to be healthy. The same thing also happened to my wife. Last month, my wife was a little bit tired. She's entering the age of 60, getting older already, tired. Just sleep from one day, one night, sleep. One day she dreamed about her late parent. The daddy told my wife, you are tired, this is the food to eat. Her mommy told her, you are tired, if you want to meet mommy, here is the things to do. That is what I mean by unique medicine. I myself heard it years ago. The most suitable medicine that I should consume in my body. I have done it already. Thanks God, it helps my spiritual journey. The first benefit of dream yoga, you will get unique medicine. The second one, you will know in any path of spiritual journey, there is something dangerous. It is like early warning system. Before the dangerous thing happen, you will know. And one of the way to know that is dream yoga. If there is something lack in your spiritual journey, again, the secret is open in the dream. That is my personal experience. Number 3, if the practice of dream yoga is very sincere and honest with the motivation to perfect your life, you will know through the dream who is the living guru you should follow. So that's why before I went to India in 2008. But I did not want to go to India without knowing who my teacher is. I just want to know exactly who is my teacher, then I went to India. So that's why a few years before 2008, I keep dreaming only one teacher. Maybe more than 50 times, I just dreaming about one teacher, one living teacher. Since I have been dreaming only one teacher, I went to India in 2008. And that was true. As soon as I meet my living guru, he recognized me. He came to me, approached me and touched my head. He asked me, where are you from? I'm from Bali. Oh, beautiful island. I said to my teacher, I have been dreaming about you very often. And my teacher said, we have a karmic connection. That is how to get that information from dream yoga. Number 4, there are countless secret weeks are open in dream yoga. Again, if you are sincere, if you are honest, if the way you approach the dream is correct. And one of the secret that I will share to you, one of the secret can be opened by dream yoga, it is your unique relationship with the moon. I'm not saying that this relationship is better than the other. No. Everyone is unique. Some people, especially the students on the path of Buddhism, they are closer to full moon. My good friend in Islam, they are closer to the crescent. My good friend in Bali, who are the students of Shivaji, they are closer to the night without moon, Tilam. The students of the great Lama Padmasambhava tend to be closer with half moon. Different. Please do not say that your path is better than the other. No. It is dangerous. I will say it is unique. It cannot be compared. Like banana cannot be compared with apple. Apple is apple, banana is banana. They provide, they heal the different part of our body. But what I mean that dream yoga can open countless secrets. One of the important secrets is your unique relationship with the moon. Let me share to you my unique relationship with the moon under the permissions of my secret guru, of course. At the beginning, I was very close to the full moon, very close. In the day, the cycle of time approaching full moon, I tend to be easily happy. The quality of my sleep is much better than the night without full moon. It happened many years. And the quality of sleep, the quality of dream in the full moon, much better than the other kind of the night. But as I grew older, there is a shifting. The quality of my relationship with the night of full moon different. The quality of my sleep is no longer as good as in the past, shifting from the full moon into half moon, telling that you are more mature now. Your guru is, that is what I mean by the dream open countless secret. And one of the secret which is open to you personally is the quality of your sleep at the night. Make a record in what kind of the night your sleep is the best. Maybe you are closer to the crescent, you are closer to the full moon, you are closer to the night without moon or half moon. It is totally up to you. I'm not interested to say that my path is better or deeper than the others. No, I'm not interested. Like I said before, banana is banana, apple is apple. It cannot be compared. But one thing for sure, there are 4 benefits of dream yoga. You will know your unique medicine. You know danger before it happens. You know what is something lack in your spiritual journey. You will know clearly your living guru, like what I did. Before I went to India, I dreamed about my living guru more than 50 times. The 4 is countless secret can be opened in the dream yoga. Remember my previous explanation. If you commit mistakes in daily life, in the waking state, it can be seen in the stage of the dream. Just in case you committed a lot of mistake in the dream, you can improve it in daily life. The same thing happened to the time of death. How to make the predictions about your soul journey in the moment of death. Look at the quality of your dream. But the sad story is, from daily life into dream, two-way traffic. But from dream into death, it is one-way traffic. As soon as we die, we cannot return back to improve the quality of our spiritual journey.